Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in Zara app. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can sign in without any confusion. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and the app is updated to the latest version to avoid delays during login. Start by opening the Zara app on your device. Give it a moment to launch. If it's your first time opening the app after an update, you might briefly see a splash screen or a prompt asking about notifications. You can choose your preference and continue. Once the home screen appears, you're ready for the next action. Look toward the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar and tap Account in the lower right corner. This icon typically looks like a person silhouette and takes you to the area where sign-in and profile options live. Tapping it will load the account page. If the page takes a few seconds, that's normal. Just keep the app open while it loads. On the account page, select the Gmail option to log in. Depending on your device, this may appear as Continue with Google or a button labeled Gmail. Choosing this option allows you to sign in using your Google account, which is quick and secure. If your phone is already linked to one or more Google accounts, you may see a list to pick from. Tap the account you want to use for Zara. If you're prompted to add an account, follow the prompts to enter your Google email and continue. Now follow the on-screen procedure to complete the login. This can include entering your Google password, reviewing a permissions screen, or confirming a verification code if two-step verification is enabled. Read each prompt carefully and continue when ready. If you receive a security alert on another device, approve it to proceed. Try not to switch apps during this step to prevent the session from timing out. After you confirm, the app will bring you back to Zara and finalize the sign-in. You should see your account area load with your profile details, saved addresses, or order history. If the page spins for a bit, give it a moment. Network speed can affect how quickly your information appears. To double-check you're signed in, look for your account initials or profile section at the top of the account screen. That's it. You've successfully logged into the Zara app using Gmail. Remember to keep your device secure and stay signed out on shared devices when you're finished. Enjoy exploring your account, viewing orders, and shopping with ease.